In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create schedules in Revit. I already have a floor plan opened here, and what we're going to do is create a schedule, a door schedule. But first, we're going to look at one door and look at its properties. Every item that's shown in the properties are something that can be quantified. So let's make a note on the frame material, mark, exterior, interior, because those are the properties that we're going to use to create the schedule. On your view tab, you'll see that there's a schedule button here. Go ahead and click that and select schedule quantities. We're going to select doors, schedule building components, and hit OK. It's going to ask us a list of items or attributes that we saw earlier in the properties browser. So we're going to look for mark, exterior, interior, hardware, and cell. These are the attributes that are going to be included in the schedule. Once you've selected all the fields, hit OK. As you can see, every listed door in the model is now shown here in the schedule. You have the different properties like exterior, interior, and also the hardware type, and where you can find the cell detail. If you look at the properties window, you can see that you can edit further the fields, create a filter, or sort the schedule based on your needs. Let's go ahead and sort this out based on the mark type. We're going to have it ordered from the smallest number to the largest, and hit OK. You can also sort it based on the exterior or interior location. As you can see that the exterior and interior are not separated. Let's go ahead and add a blank line between the two categories. You can also get a full count of how many doors there are in the project by clicking on any of these. Click on the fields, add a count. Then go to sorting and grouping tab, highlight or check grand totals, and hit OK. You can see that each item is itemized, but at the bottom of the schedule shows you there's a grand total of 129 doors in the project. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you.